In this video, we will take a look at dictionary membership. How do we know if a key or a value exists in a dictionary? Let's head over to PyScripter. We will use a dictionary we have been using in the last few videos. This is a dictionary called Attributes, where we have country, capital, population, continent, average sum temp, last visit, geometry, and life expect as the keys. We'll hit enter and we can print our attributes dictionary to screen and see our entries. Membership is quite similar to what we have seen with lists and tuples. We are going to use the keywords in and not in to check for membership. And remember, membership always returns a boolean, true or false. Let's check for country in attributes. Do we have a key called country in our attributes dictionary? We can see that we do, so we should be returned true. And we are returned true. We can also use a variable. Let's create a variable called key and set it to equal capital. Hit enter, and now we'll check if key is in our attributes dictionary. And again, we are returned true because capital is one of our keys in our dictionary. We can also use the keys method to check for the membership. We can say key in attributes dot keys. Now we are specifically looking in our keys of our dictionary for capital. Hit enter, we know it returns true. But can we check values without using the values method? Let's check it out. We know that Ireland is a value. Is that in our attributes dictionary? And we are returned false. So by checking for membership this way, it is only checking for the keys. Before we move on to checking values, let's use the negation of not in. Let's check for country not in our attributes. Now country is clearly in our attributes, so we're asking, is it not in? And we get false because it is in there. We'll overwrite our key variable and set it equal to average age. Hit enter. Now we'll check for key not in attributes. So is average age not in our attributes dictionary? It's true, it's not in there as a key. In order to check for value membership, we need to use the values method. So let's check for Ireland in attributes dot value. So we're checking, is Ireland in the list returned by the value method? We know it's going to be because Ireland is a value associated with the country key. We'll hit enter. And of course you saw that error coming. You're going, Glenn, it's values, not value. You're correct. It is values. Now when I hit enter, we can see we get true because Ireland is a value in our dictionary. We can try this with France in attributes dot values and hit enter, and we can see we get false because France is not a value in our dictionary. In this video, we saw how we can look for membership for key and values in a dictionary. We saw for our keys, we could simply use in or not in and the dictionary variable, but for values, we had to use the values method. With strings, lists, and tuples, we checked for length. There is a try it yourself below this video to see if a dictionary has length. Try it out for yourself.